Hello children, hope you all must be safe and doing well. Children, today we are going to start our chapter 2, Teeth and its care. So children, what we need to live to survive? Yes, we need food to survive, to live. Okay, now when we take food, it goes into our stomach, digested there, and mixes up in our blood, and we take nutrients from that food. But the digestion starts from our mouth, okay, where our teeth chew the food and breaks that food into the particles. Okay, so what are teeth? You all know. So children, teeth are white, hard and bony structures. They are fixed in jaws and help us in breaking down of food into smaller pieces. What I said, teeth are white, hard and bony structures. They are as strong as bones. Clear? And they are fixed in our jaws. You know, jaws, upper jaws, lower jaws. They are fixed in jaws, and what they do, they help us in breaking food into smaller pieces so that food can easily digest it. Okay, now what are the functions of teeth? Teeth give proper shape to our face. You might have seen some very old men or women uh, who do not have teeth. How they look like that only? Because they don't have teeth. Because of teeth only our face gets a proper shape. Clear? So teeth are very important. Okay, so teeth give proper shape to our face. Now second function of teeth, they help us to speak clearly. Without teeth you will speak like that. Clear? So like that only. So they help us to speak clearly. We can speak clearly because of teeth only. Then they help in biting. Okay, when you eat apple, how you bite that? Like that only. So they help in biting, and most important, they help to chew the food. And food is very important for us. Clear? Now children, we have learned about what are teeth and how do they help us, or what are their functions. Now we will read about sets of teeth. Okay, there are two types of sets of teeth. First one is temporary teeth and second one is permanent teeth. Okay, temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. Clear? And permanent teeth are also known as adult teeth. Why why milk teeth are called temporary teeth? Because they are there for a short period of time, while permanent teeth are there for a long period of time. Milk teeth appear after the age of 6 months. A newborn baby do not have teeth. Okay, but as it grows and after the age of 6 months, milk teeth appears. Okay, and as he grows and after the age of 6 years, permanent teeth appears and milk teeth start falling down. Okay, so that's why the milk teeth are called temporary teeth, and the adult teeth are called permanent teeth because they are there for a long period of time. The temporary teeth is a set of 20 teeth. Okay, while the permanent teeth is a set of complete 32 teeth. Now we know there are two sets of teeth, temporary teeth and permanent teeth, and we can easily differentiate them. So differences between temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Here temporary, they are also known as milk teeth. Okay. Then permanent teeth, they are also known as adult teeth. Second point is temporary teeth appear after the age of 6 months, while permanent teeth appear after the age of 6 years. Then temporary teeth is a set of nearly 20 teeth, while permanent teeth is a set of complete 32 teeth. Clear? Now children, from this chapter we will do this much today, and now we will solve worksheet 1, 2 and 3 of chapter 1, which I have given you in your home assignments 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's solve our worksheets. Children, many of you have done those worksheets, but there might be some mistakes. So please check your answers, compare your answers with my answers and do the corrections if needed, so that you won't make any mistake in your exams. Clear? So children, here is your worksheet 1 given on page number 9 in your science book. So first question is, unscramble the letters to reveal the name of some of the nutrients present in food. When you will unscramble first one, you will get water, W-A-T-E-R. Then second one, you will get fats, F-A-T-S. Then third, minerals, M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. Now second question is, state whether the given statements are true or false. So first one is, consume packed food before expired date. Yes, this is true. Then B, fill your plate in one serving only. No, this is false. Then C1 is, food does not help us to fight diseases. This is false. Now question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the options given below. First one is, we need food to remain healthy. Here some options are given. From here you have to choose the correct option. So first one will be healthy. Then B, food repairs the worn out body parts. Now C is, food helps us to fight diseases. Then D, food keeps us healthy and strong. Now question 4 is, tick the correct option. Food helps us to grow, fight diseases, repair the worn out body parts, all of the above. So we will tick out the option D because all of the above are correct answers. Now question number 5, match the following. First one, useful substances in food, what they are called? Nutrients. You will match it with the third option. Then second, substance that helps us to grow. Yes, that is food. You will match it with the option 4. Now third one, a diet in which all nutrients are present in proper amount. That will be called balanced diet. You all know that. Match it with the balanced diet. Now fourth one, butter is a good source of fats. Okay, you will match it with the fats. Now number 6 is, why do we need food? Choose the correct option and write under suitable picture. So first one is, why we need food? To play. Then second one, to grow. Third one, to remain healthy. And fourth one is to study. You will write here, to play, to grow, to remain healthy and to study. Now we will solve worksheet 2 of chapter 1, which is given on page number 12 in your science book. So once again, question number 1 is, unscramble the letters to reveal the name of some sources of the nutrients present in food. So first one will be egg, E-G-G, egg. Then second one will be meat, M-E-A-T, meat. And when you will unscramble the third one, it will be milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Now question 2 is, state whether the given statements are true or false. So first one, proteins make us obese. This is false. Proteins are building blocks of our body. Okay. Now roughage, second one is, roughage prevents constipation. Yes, this is true. Now C1 is, water helps in digestion of food. Yes, this is also true. Now question number 3, fill in the blanks with the options given below. Here some options are given. Okay, you will choose from this box. So first one will be, carbohydrates provides us energy. Okay, because they are energy providing food. Then B is, proteins helps in the formation of new cells. Then third one, water helps in digestion of food. And fourth one, the energy value of food is measured in calories. Okay, whenever we calculate the energy of food, how much energy we are getting from any food, that will be measured in calorie. Okay. Now question number 4 is tick the correct option. Cabbage is a good source of fats, roughage, proteins or water. That will be roughage. So you will tick out the option B. Now next question is which component of food is required in more amount by following persons? Tick the right choice. So if we see first picture, in it we are watching a school going student. Okay, so in growing age what you need? Proteins. So here we will tick out the proteins. Now in second picture there is a thin boy, then what he needs? Fats. Okay, so fats is required in his food. Now third one, to play we need energy. So energy giving food is carbohydrate. So we will take out the carbohydrates. Again in fourth picture we need energy to work. So we will take out the carbohydrates. This will be the correct answer. Now next question is match the following. Now protein, you will match it with the cheese because it contains protein. Now second one, carbohydrates, you will match it with the bread. Then third one is fat. Yes, you will match it with the ghee. And last one, roughage. You all know cabbage contains roughage. You will match it with cabbage. Now next is worksheet 3 of chapter 1 given on page number 15 in your science book. So first question is unscramble the letters to reveal the name of some deficiency diseases. When you will scramble first one, you will get rickets, rickets. Then second one will be scurvy, scurvy. And third one will be goiter, goitre, goiter. Now the second question is tick the correct option. The disease caused by deficiency of iron. What it will be? Anemia. Option C will be the correct answer. You will tick it out. Now question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the options given below. Here some options are given. So first one is lack of minerals and vitamins can cause. Here you will write deficiency diseases. Okay, you can check your spellings with this box. Now question number B, milk is a complete food. Then C, apple is rich in vitamins. And D, exercise makes our muscles strong. So these are the correct options. Now question number 4, identify the following exercise. You all know first one is swimming, SWIMMING. Then second one is you all know yoga, YOGA, yoga. And then third one is walking, WALKING, walking. Now the next question, question 5, complete the following. What you have to do? Here you have to fill this table. Here you have to give the nutrients name, here sources, and here deficiency diseases. Okay, so first one is vitamin A. What are the sources of vitamin A? Milk, spinach, and many more are given in your book. Then deficiency diseases are night blindness and poor vision. Okay, then vitamin C, because sources grapes and oranges, they are citrus fruit and they contain vitamin C. Then deficiency diseases will be scurvy and swollen gums. Then third one is iodine, and sources of iodine are iodine salt and fish. And deficiency disease is goiter. Okay, then calcium, because here it is given milk. Okay, and milk is rich in calcium, that's why it makes our bones strong. And deficiency disease is rickets. Then iron, sources are spinach and egg, and deficiency disease is anemia. Okay, then vitamin D, its sources are milk, egg, and deficiency disease is rickets. So children, we have solved our worksheets, and now we will continue our chapter 2 in our next video. Till our next video, be safe, stay home and take care.